Hello everyone. Let us start our today's session with one inspirational quote. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. It means that you cannot expect the results in early stage. Success is bound to come if you are honest and consistent with your efforts. Have patience and keep on trying. So children, are you ready with your book, copy and compass? In our last video, we have seen how to add 6 and 7 digit numbers with carry and without carry as well. Today, we are going to see word problems based on these 6 and 7 digit addition. So, the first question is, during the polio eradication campaign, 3,17,658 children were given the polio vaccine in one district. See the sentence. So many of children from one district are vaccinated. So 3,17,658 children are vaccinated from one district, means first district you can say, and 2,04,969 children in another district. Okay, so from first district so many children, from another district so many children. See, altogether how many children got the vaccine? So there are 5 steps to solve any word problem. The first step is given to find out operation, method and answer. In first step we explain whatever has been given in the question. Whatever numbers are there in the question, we explain them actually what these numbers are. So the first number is 3,17,658. What is this number? This number is number of children vaccinated from first district. From first district so many children are vaccinated. You must be knowing what is vaccine. So many children are vaccinated. What is the second number? So I have wrote here, number of children vaccinated in first district is so many. What is the second number? This is number of children vaccinated from another district. See, children in another district who are vaccinated. So I have wrote down number of children vaccinated in second district is so many. See, now the given part has finished. Now we will move towards to find out. In to find out portion, in to find out part, we write down what is our last sentence of our question or what action we need to take. So altogether how many children got the vaccine? So we can write here to find out altogether how many children has got the vaccine, or in another words or in our words we can write total children vaccinated in both the district. Those two sentences carry the same meaning. Altogether how many children got the vaccine or total children vaccinated in both the district. Both the sentence carry the same meaning. You can write this or you can write this also. So in question or to find out we write down how many children got the vaccine. Since the altogether word has come here, what operation we need to do here? It's an addition. We know that total, altogether, in all, such type of words come in addition word problem. So in operation we will write down addition. Okay, so in method part we actually do the action. Whatever has to be done, what steps has to be done, we have decided to take in our operation part and in given part. So in method we will actually add these two numbers. Here 8 plus 9 17. 17 ka 7. 1 will be carry. Now you have to keep carry in mind or on fingers. So 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 ka 2. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 9 16, 16 का 6, 1 will be carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 का 2, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 0 2, no carry. Next 3 plus 2 5. So what answer we have got here? 5,22,627. Now you have to write down this in complete sentence. What this number is actually? This number is, see, in place of how many we write down our answer. So how can we write answer? Altogether so many children got the vaccine. Okay, what you can write in the answer? Altogether how many, in place of how many, just put your answer in place of. We do it same way, we have seen it in the last year also. Just in place of question we put down our answer. So here also in place of how many you can put down your answer, and then just remove the question mark and keep full stop there. So altogether so many children got the vaccine and full stop. Okay, or in another words we can say total children vaccinated in both the district is 5,22,627. Let's start with our problem set 9. Solve the following problems. Question number 1. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. See, in election, so many women have casted their vote and so many men have casted their votes. So this is the number of votes cast by women and this is number of votes cast by men. Okay, so question is, how many votes were polled altogether? As per our rules, we write down the answer in 5 steps that is given to find out operation, method and answer. In given part, we explain the numbers that are given in the question. So the two numbers are, this is first number and this is second number. What is the first number? Just now I have told you, this is the votes cast by woman and this is what? Votes cast by men. Okay, so I will write it here. So the number of votes cast by woman is equals to 13,47,048 and the votes cast by men is 14,29,638. Okay, in the next part we will write down to find out. So in to find out part we write down the last sentence of our question. What is it? How many votes were polled altogether? Altogether word come. Okay, altogether word come. When it comes we do the operation as addition. So write the operation as addition. Now in the method part we actually do the action on these two numbers. Okay, so let's start. So add 13,47,048 with 14,29,638. The main crucial part for addition is to arrange the numbers properly. The number in the units place keep properly under the units place, then likewise for tens, hundreds and so on. The first part is to write the numbers, to arrange the numbers properly and then add it. So let's start with the addition. 8 plus 8 16, 16 ka 6, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8 and no carry. 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 9 16, 16 ka 6, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 no carry. 3 plus 4 7 no carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so the answer we have got is 27,76,686. Now you have to write down this answer in complete sentence. As I have already told you, you have to just replace your answer by the question words. What is the question words here? How many is your question words? So just replace it by the answer and remove the question mark sign and put the full stop here. So I can write 27,76,686 votes were polled altogether and full stop. In another way, you can write the answer as total number of votes polled together is 27,76,686. You can write either way. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to solve the word problems based on 6 and 7 digit numbers. Likewise, we will solve next few word problems also. You write down everything in your copy properly and make its practice. Thank you.